Telangana Assembly సమావేశాలను లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Capita consumption, sir. So the Telangana government has provided a subsidy of rupees 47,492 crores for free electricity to agriculture from 2014 to 15 to 2022-23, sir. There were 19.03 lakh farm consumers in 2014 and 15, and this number has increased to 27.99 lakhs now, sir. Sir, as per the white paper data, power consumption by agriculture sector has risen from 11,671 million units in 2014 and 15 to 19,995 MU in 2022 and 23. This is an increase of 8,324 MU or 71%, sir. So the agriculture peak demand has increased from 3,500 megawatts to 3,003 megawatts, and the average supply hours has risen from 6 hours in 2014 and 15 to 19.22 hours during April-November 2023, sir. So going further ahead, sir, the total consumption in the state has increased from 45,047 MU in 2014 to 15 to 72,442 MU in the year 22-23, sir. This is an increase of 27,395 MU or 60.8%, sir. So the white paper on Telangana state power gives details of state power sector from 2014 to 23, including per capita power consumption, contracted capacity addition by Genco and Singareni collieries, project under construction, Transco capacity additional discom, capacity additional base load versus demand and peak demand, sector-wise consumption and supply to agriculture sector over the 9 years, sir. On this indices of the power sector, sir, there is no confusion or apprehension, as the substantial growth and better performance is clear from the data of the white paper which has been given to us, sir. So white paper gives out details on the financial position of TS Genco, TS Transco and Northern and Southern Discom, sir. Sir, as per the data given out in white paper, the income of TS Genco has increased from 5,430 crores in the year 2014 and 15 to rupees 15,922 crores in the year 2022 and 2023, sir. Sir, so also the expenditure of Genco has increased from 5,359 crores to rupees 15,449 crores during the same period, and the profit has increased from 71 crores to 473 crores. So the cost per unit increased from rupees 3.52 in the year 2014 and 15 to 5.07 in the year 2022 and 23, sir. So the TS Transco income has grown from rupees 703.23 crores to rupees 3,535 crores, and expenditure has increased from 633.65 crores to rupees 3,121.43 crores in the same period, sir. So the Transco profit have also rose from rupees 69.58 to rupees 413.57 crores, sir. Sir, again, I am mentioning the figures which have been mentioned in the white paper issued or tabled today, sir. Sir, coming to the two discoms, they together had an income of rupees 22,873 crores in the year 2014 and 15, and this rose to 50,135 crores in the year 22-23, sir. So the expenditure of discom has also rose from rupees 25,392 crores to rupees 61,238 crores, and their losses have increased from rupees 2,519 crores to rupees 11,103 crores during this period, sir. Analyzing the finances of TS Genco, Transco, Discom, the white paper points out that the fixed asset of Genco rose to rupees 12,783 crores to rupees 40,454 crores. This is 3.16 times, sir. Sir, at the same time, the borrowings of Genco have increased from rupees 7,662 to rupees 32,797 crore. That is 4.28 times, sir. So the white paper talks about financial difficulties of Discom, including their accumulated losses of rupees 50,275 crores, sir. Citing the reason for financial difficulty, the white paper says that the additional cumulative financial burden on Discom due to different of estimates of agriculture power consumption by TSERC and actual consumption by the farm sector is rupees 18,725 crores. Sir, it is not fair to calculate this amount, as the TSERC estimate the consumption based on estimates submitted by Discom, and the farmer drew power for their pump set as per their requirements, sir. So the Discoms have to pay up the true-up charges of rupees 12,550 crores and fuel cost adjustment